Today is all about dispersion, one of the core functionalities of high shell mixing. We will discuss what dispersion is, why it's so critical for product quality, and how you can optimize your process to achieve a fine, uniform distribution of particles within your mixture. Dispersion, at its simplest, is the process of breaking down agglomerates and ensuring that solid particles are evenly distributed throughout a liquid. This is particularly important in industries where consistency in texture and stability in the final product are paramount. Imagine you are working with a dairy formulation where additives or stabilizers need to be uniformly integrated into the milk, or perhaps a cosmetic cream that requires smooth, homogeneous consistency. High shell mixing are designed to tackle these challenges head-on by creating intense mechanical forces that break up lumps and disperse particles evenly. Let's drill into the mechanism. In a high shell mixer, your ingredients are forced through a narrow gap between a rapidly rotating rotor and a stationary stator. As the material passes through this gap, the shear forces generated are incredibly high. So high, in fact, that even stubborn lumps are broken down into microscopic particles. The outcome is a dispersion that is both uniform and stable. In practical application, dispersion is essential for avoiding issues such as sedimentation, where larger particles settle over time, or uneven distribution of flavors and nutrients. For example, in beverage production, a well-dispersed mixture guarantees that every bottle contains the same taste and nutritional profile. Similar in cosmetic formulations, uniform dispersion of pigments and active ingredients is key to achieving the desired aesthetic and functionality properties. Achieving optimal dispersion involves controlling several parameters. Rotor speed is one of the most critical factors. A higher speed increases the shear forces, which is beneficial for breaking up lumps. However, too high a speed might overprocess delicate ingredients or generate excess heat. Mixing time is another important consideration. You need sufficient time for the shear forces to act on the particles, but extended mixing might lead to oversharing. Temperature control also plays a vital role. Operating at the correct temperature ensures that the viscosity of the liquid remains within an optimal range, allowing the particles to disperse effectively without causing degradation of temperature-sensitive compounds. Another challenge to be aware of is material buildup. Over time, residue can accumulate on the surface of the rotor and stator, which can reduce the effectiveness of the mixing process and lead to inconsistent dispersion. Regular cleaning routines and maintenance checks are therefore indispensable. The design of your mixer also matters significantly. Modern high shell mixers offer adjustable gap sizes and variable speed settings, allowing you to fine-tune the dispersion process for different formulation. For instance, inline mixers with continuous process the material are ideal for high volume production where consistent dispersion is critical. In contrast, batch mixers might provide more control when you are dealing with bespoke or small-scale formulations. In summary, effective dispersion in high shell mixing ensures that every particle, no matter how small, is uniformly distributed throughout the liquid. This uniformity leads to better texture, improved stability, and ultimately a superior final product. Whether you are mixing dairy products, beverages, or cosmetic creams, achieving optimal dispersion is a key factor in maintaining quality and consistency. If you have any questions or need further insight on optimal dispersion in your processing, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep your mixtures finely dispersed and your process running smoothly.